Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing an undecorate with me for Christmas and also a clean with me. As you can see, my house is in shambles because I do have a toddler who loves to have his toys everywhere. Plus, we do live our life every day. So if you guys want to help me undecorate and clean with me, then of course, let's get started.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day.
So I'm starting with taking down the Christmas tree and taking off the ornaments. As you can see, I do have my bin on the couch. I do store all of my Christmas decorations in that bin, and actually Target have all of their storage containers on sale right now as we speak. So I would have the link below if you guys to check it out. But I do keep my decoration in storage containers. It's just easier in terms of storing, and you just kind of know where everything is. So that's pretty much how I store my items. And I just thought it was so cute. Trey wanted to come help me pick off the ornaments, so I just thought it was so cute. And I just love my son so much. He's so helpful. About how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy. Surprisingly, I didn't have much to take down in terms of decorations because I actually didn't get to finish decorating my house for Christmas. As you guys know, my son Tristan came a whole month early, so that weekend I actually decorated my house, or I guess started to decorate my house. He came literally like a day after, so I never got a chance to finish decorating my house, so that's why everything is really not completed 100%. So it really wasn't that much for me to take down, so I guess I got lucky a little bit. Checking the drawers because my son loves to put the ornaments in the actual drawers. He loves to put his toys in the drawers. So that's why I'm checking the drawers for the table. So this is my Christmas bin. I have Christmas bags, Christmas boxes, ribbons, ornaments, anything you could think of in terms of Christmas, I do keep in this one container. As you can see, it's not a lot of stuff, but it's just enough for right now. But definitely next year, I do want to amp it up a little bit with my Christmas decorations. But that's pretty much my bin right there that I keep all of my Christmas decorations. And again, it just comes in so helpful.
Snow is falling down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. I've been waiting all my life
You guys, let me know in the comment section down below, when do you take down your Christmas decorations? Do you take it down after Christmas, after the New Year's? Let me know down below. I typically take mine down after the New Year's, but I was ready to get mine down because everything was just dirty and needed to be washed, so I was ready to get mine taken down. My actual Christmas pillows in my hand, I'm actually going to take those to wash because they were dirty. I do have a 2-year-old, so definitely had to get those washed before I put those away. Oh my god, you guys, this cabinet that I'm actually in right now, I need to declutter this cabinet in the worst way. I keep all of my seasonal items in there, but I actually want to go through and just kind of like declutter everything, get it organized. So if you guys want to see me do a video on that, let me know down below in the comment section. I would definitely make it happen for you guys.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Alright, so I'm just taking my Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner to clean off my countertops, and it works really good in terms of getting the grease and grime off the countertop. I go between this and the Mrs. Meyer's just to kind of get my countertops to be nice and clean. I do have it in the scent called Fresh Lavender. I got mine from Target and I do like it a lot. It works really good on counters, tiles, stone, wood, and glass. So if you haven't given it a try, definitely give it a try. I think you will like it. And again, I have it in the scent called Fresh Lavender.
I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Ooh, ooh. place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair.
Alright, for my table, I'm taking the Mrs. Meyer's Clean All Day Lavender Scent. It is their multi-surface everyday cleaner. I do like this product a lot because it's more on the natural side, and it works really good if you have any like wood products, any granite, stones, just different things like that, and it smells amazing. It is, again, the lavender scent, so it matches back to my first product that I use. So you guys can see I love these lavender scents.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim.
You guys, how do you decorate your house after Christmas? Do you do like your spring decoration automatically, or do you do something different? I'm thinking of doing like a winter decor, like an all-white theme. Let me know down below, do you do spring afterwards, or do you do like a winter decor theme before spring comes? Let me know down below.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you.
Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you do, be sure to give it 2 thumbs up and let me know down below that you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't